Hi, today, welcome to another episode of LEGO Star Wars Custom Clones. Well, today it's kind of just Halo, and there's some other stuff I want to talk about. Yesterday I went to BrickCon in Seattle, so that was pretty fun. I'm going to be showing you some of the stuff I got there. I just got this. It's the little logo for BrickCon. Here's the instructions if you want to look at those to build it real quickly. Yeah, it's pretty simple to build. So, yeah, okay, so, remember how I said, in my last video, I think it was, that I didn't have the visors? Well, they were selling them at BrickCon, so I bought some. I bought 2 of them. So now my Spartans have the gold visors. And then I also got black Spartan armor. So, yeah. Also, Brick Arms was there, and I got one of their snipers. One of the snipers. I got this bazooka. Got 2 magnums. And then, I got, well, I got these 2 Halo pistols. Then I got this weapon. Then I also got the clear baseball bat. I got that free when I bought the stuff. Also, the Spartans, they're holding the Brick Arms assault rifles. So, yeah, that is pretty much it. Bye.